My dear brother Savage, welcome to yet another opportunity to fucking train hard 300 repetitions, all taking place with the Kade Club, the adjustable steel club from our partner CK Maceworks. I started off with doing 75 of these babies. These are called shield casts, but as you see, the placement is slightly outside of my body's perimeter. This puts a great emphasis on my obliques and core in general. Here I'm showcasing in each direction how I perform it. So 75 and 75 is 150. This is one of my favorite movements called the shield cast into a standing uppercut. I'm going to walk you through it. Here's the shield cast. Swing it, grab it, and pivot in your ankle, knee, and hip joints simultaneously into a uppercut. I did 100 of these bad boys, so 50 to my right and 50 to my left. So we're already up to 250 repetitions. And here I increased the pace a little bit. Battle lunges, something that I absolutely fucking suck at. 50 in total, 25 and 25. Let's fucking go.